Dear all the MPO-related teachers of Bangladesh, at first take my cordial salute, regard, welcome and salute. Dear all the teachers' friends, we must know that without movement, we could not get anything good from the state after independence of Bangladesh. So we must face movement. Otherwise, we cannot get anything from state. Dear all the MPO-related teachers friends, now I memorize the event of May Day. In 1886, the worker class people of McCormick Harvest Machine Company, the state of United States, they brought out a movement. Their demands were three. Number one, every day 8 hours work day. Number two, a prestigious salary. Number three, safety and comfortable work condition. Then the law enforcement agencies opened their fire, and one striker was killed at once on the spot, and 5 or 6 seriously were injured. Then we have opportunity to get these facilities. Dear all the teachers friends, we have also 3 demands. Number one, 20% house rent. Number two, 1,500 taka for our medical allowance. And number three, 75% festival fees for our vulnerable staff. Dear all the teachers friends, remember, the worker class of people always be exploited until they rise up and stand up against oppression. So, movement is for long life. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.